Welcome to Dive and Dine. Today we're doing a short episode. It's going to be garlic butter made with easy household ingredients. Take the tops off of 2 garlic cloves per 1 stick of butter and douse it generously with olive oil. Then season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. This is also how you roast garlic. Have the oven preheated. Get yourself about 9x9 of tin foil and place the garlic cloves on the tin foil and fold it up like a Hershey kiss. Now you take the 2 Hershey kisses, put them in the oven 400 degrees for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, you can work on the butter. Softened, room temperature, 1 stick of butter. Add pepper, dried herbs, parsley, pinch of dill weed. Next, proceed to break up the butter. We're about to add some Parmesan cheese to it. Now you can add as much Parmesan as you want. Once the garlic cloves are roasted, you're going to want to open them up. I would give them 5 minutes of resting time because they're hot. But basically you're going to be pressing the garlic into the butter and mixing it up, and you can keep it as chunky as you want, or you can smash it up to a smoother butter consistency. It's up to you. Once you've placed it into a container with parchment paper, you're going to want to also cover it with parchment paper and keep it shut as you allow it to cool and then refrigerate. After that, you're set, and you have 1,000 uses for compound butter.